Luke, I am your father.
Have you ever watched a stream, Matt, and they've been like,
It's okay, we'll get him next time.
and then you're like, wait, what? How do they do that? I want to do that effect in my stream. Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name is James Hodges. Welcome back to the channel, and let's show you how to do this.
Completely free.
If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and press the subscribe button as well. Oh, and of course, head over to my Twitch and follow me on there. Right, to do this, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is go down to the description and download Voicemod. It's a free program that lets us do exactly what we want. Once you've installed it, let it know what microphone you're using and what your output is. Click the cogwheel and then select your input device, which will be your microphone. For your output device, choose whatever you're using as your headphones. Next, you need to go over to Streamlabs or OBS and make sure your input is changed to Voicemod. That way, when you're making changes to the filter effects, they'll come through to your broadcast. And that's it, you're good to go. But let's see if we can make this a little bit better. If you're like me and own a Stream Deck, we can actually use this to change our voices without having to have the app open on a screen, meaning even more room to game. Elgato have actually introduced a kind of app store that allows third-party developers, programmers to make apps for your Stream Deck. All you need to do is go to the Stream Deck app, go down to the bottom right-hand corner for more actions. There you'll see all the apps you can download. Look for Voicemod, install to your Stream Deck. Now from this page, you'll now notice you have an option for voice mods. You'll have options to select your voice, hear your voice, ambient effects, mute, and a load more. To change your voice, drag select voice to where you like the button on your Stream Deck. Then go to the drop down next to voices and then select the effect you want to use. They have so many different voices you can choose from, so have a play around and see what works best for your stream. One really important thing to note, you'll need to have Voicemod running in the background on your PC for this to work. If you close the app, this is all going to mess up. Once you've done that, you should be able to do something like this. Hello, is anyone there?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Oh, this doesn't get boring at all, does it?
If you've ever watched one of my streams, you'll know that I use this effect all the time. But if you haven't seen it, make sure you head over to my Twitch channel and see this in action. A link to my channel will be in the description below. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you all in the next one.